Hi friends, welcome to Global Used Car Trading. Today, I'm gonna talk about what is car performance sheet and why is it so important when buying used cars in Korea. Car performance sheet is like a medical checkup certificate for the vehicle. It shows every detailed issues about the used car. And since this is the legally binding documents by the Korean government and authority, the customers are asked to review all these details and sign when they make a car contract with the used car dealers in Korean market. However, unfortunately, many of our foreign friends who are living in Korea doesn't know how to review this car performance record, and they are just asked to sign the documents without fully understanding it by forcing of the used car dealers. So today, I'd like to give you some tips how to review and how to utilize the car performance record when you purchase a used car. The car performance test is being conducted by the company legally authorized or recognized by the Korean government. All the every used cars being sold in retail market in Korea should go through this car performance inspection. This is an information for protecting the customers so that they can understand the car condition they are buying. Because of this, the car performance inspection test fee is being borne by the customers, not car owner. When customers buy used cars in Korea, they make an agreement along with signing of this car performance sheet. And it means they pay for the car performance inspection. It is your right to meticulously check all the details of the car history and accident record on the paper. As you may know, one of the most popular retail online used car market platform is ncar.com. When you search the cars in ncar.com, some cars price looks very attractive, but they don't provide the car performance sheet or any record. In this case, there might be a reason that the car owner or car dealer would like to save their cost, not being go through the car performance inspection. So I strongly recommend you not to purchase the used vehicle in Korea which doesn't have the car performance sheet. As I already mentioned, this document is legally binding, and all the salesperson or sales dealer are required to notify the car condition using this car performance sheet to their customers. If you don't get information about the car condition using these documents, you should report it to the government, and the car dealer or the dealership company are forced to suspend their business for 1 month. This shows how this performance sheet record is powerful. When you review the car performance record, you should first of all check the car basic elements. The performance record shows the car plate number, model year, and type of the transmission, and rental history, and accident record, and repair records, and any flood record, etc. So, from my experience, we can check the car's condition over 90% through this legal paper. And when reviewing the car performance record, it is also important to check the mileage on the document and actual vehicle. If the mileage difference of the two is less than 10 or 20 kilometers, I think that's understandable. However, if the difference is more than 100 kilometers, I don't recommend you to go with the car, or you should ask to the car owner or dealer to reconduct the car performance inspection, because that is your right. Under the Korean law, the car performance sheet provides the warranty of 1 month or 2,000 kilometers after its purchase. This warranty covers only for the engine and transmission, and other consumables or accessories like a black box, navigation, engine oil, and brake pad are not subject to this warranty. During this period or during this mileage, if the car breaks out on its engine or transmission, you can get it fixed for free of charge, so you don't need to worry about that. Also, the other important information is you should check the date of the car performance sheet. The performance sheet is only valid for 4 months after each issuance date. Therefore, any vehicles older than 4 months from its issuance date has some reason. We can guess that there is some reason why this vehicle hasn't been chosen or selected by the customers in the market. And you should ask it to the car dealers. When you check this with the dealers, I bet the dealers will be surprised from your insight. So by simply reviewing the car performance data in detail, you can make a very good and satisfactory car deals in Korea. What I'd like to tell you is don't judge car by its appearance. The most important thing is the car performance sheet review. It tells almost everything about the vehicle condition, car history, car accident record, any flood record, and repair record, and so on. Unfortunately, many of our friends are being fooled by its appearance, and some dealers they don't provide enough information about the car condition to the customers, so they have to pay a lot of unexpected costs for fixing the vehicles after they make a contract, which is a sad story, right? That's quite all for today's session, and I believe and hope it was useful and helpful information for you. I will see you in my next post with more useful information. Bye bye.